That was the defining image of yesterday, the sea of brooms outside the Aam Aadmi Party office on Delhi's Hanuman Road. And it's this power broom that has stunned political masters. They dismissed the AAP challenge, sneered at Arvind Kejriwal, but the Delhi Assembly results have changed all that. BJP may be the winner, Congress the loser, but AAP is the real hero of the story, and only factor post the semi-final verdict is the AAP fear factor.
ये मेरी जीत नहीं है, ये नई दिल्ली विधानसभा के लोगों की जीत है.
Scenes that shook the power corridors of Delhi. Any day before this, they would have been dismissed by the impressive sleight of some hand. But then their power broom smashed that hand's hold, and the picture changed.
मैं उनसे यही कहूँगा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, आप इतने बड़े व्यक्ति नहीं हैं जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी जी आपसे बात विवाद करें.
I am very happy to say that a one-year-old party has suddenly caught the media attention and has been able to convince.
It's not just
one second, and has been able to convince the electorate of Delhi to give them 3 times more seats than Congress party.
इस पार्टी पर अन्ना का ही विश्वास नहीं है, वो किरण बेदी जी का विश्वास नहीं है, इसमें वीके सिंह का विश्वास नहीं, जो इनके आंदोलन में आए थे उन्हीं का विश्वास नहीं है. तो अब ये पार्टी है इनकी, थोड़ा बहुत सफेद टोपी पहन के 2-4 दिन घूमेंगे, कुछ नारेबाजी वगैरह करेंगे और चुनाव के बाद फिर ये लोग सब अपना काम खत्म करके पार्टी कार्यालय वगैरह खत्म करके अपना समाप्त.
Well, it's a welcome development in Indian politics. And it is a welcome development and a change in the people's attitude to elections. I am very happy that this is good for democracy.
Congress's first family admitted AAP power.
Both the major parties are thinking about, particularly in Delhi, are thinking about politics in a traditional way. And I think we need to start thinking about politics of empowerment of people.
Miles away in the valley, the Chief Minister spoke about perils of underestimating the underdog. Others spoke in sync.
Aam Aadmi Party presented itself as an alternative to both Congress and BJP. And it did well. And for a new party, it was a spectacular performance.
Aam Aadmi Party एक ताकत बनकर के उभरी है. ये पहली बार भारत के इतिहास में नहीं हो रहा है.
पहली बार और इतने कम समय में आम आदमी पार्टी को इतना वोट लाना और इतनी सीटें जीतना, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है दिल्ली के.
But the biggest threat could be for the BJP. Its oldest ally was quick to point out how the power of the Namo wave was diminished by AAP.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी कांग्रेस ने सबको सबक लेना पड़ेगा कि लोग झाड़ू के पीछे क्यों भाग गए. हम इतने पुराने खिलाड़ी हैं राजनीति के, और देश की राजधानी में एक नई पार्टी के पीछे लोग भाग के चले जाते हैं.
Clearly, the Kejriwal effect holds a grim warning for the BJP. He now only won 27 seats, but gave a close fight on 22 others, snapping at the heels of the single largest party.
In Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party led a rainbow coalition of the disaffected. It's a model it will replicate to stitch together very diverse interests by an imaginative political campaign run largely by the volunteers. For an army of the young and not so young, the Aam Aadmi Party has opened its doors for participation in a way the Congress and the BJP only promised to. That's precisely the reason why the political map of Delhi looks the way it does. And that is also a reason why suddenly political parties have an Aam Aadmi Party fear factor.